Hey folks, approaching the middle of August and it's hot like the middle of August should be. 100 in McAllen right now. Rio Grande City at 103. You move to the east, temperatures a little bit cooler, but not dramatically so. Port Isabel's 91, 96 in Raymondville and Harlingen. Brownsville's at 94 right now. Add the humidity in. Here's what it feels like, except for Port Isabel. Everybody feels like over 100. That's the heat index, the combination of the temperature and the humidity. Wind gusts not as strong as yesterday. Yesterday at this time we were looking at 35, 36 miles an hour. Now we're 20 to 30 for the most part, so just a little calmer, but not calm, but calmer than yesterday. Overnight tonight, temperatures bottom out upper 70s, low 80s, depends on where you are. And then tomorrow, we're right back up to 100 in the west again, 90s in the east, and even the island might sneak up to 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So the heat will continue. The normal high for this time of year is 97. We're going above that, 98, then a couple of 99s. Records at 103, 103, and 102 shouldn't be broken, shouldn't be threatened, but will still be above average for a few days. Here's your Doppler network, and we look for isolated showers to pop up today, and it just wasn't to be. It's been a quiet afternoon across the region. Sea breeze just didn't have enough to work with to give us anything, and I think that'll be the case again tonight. Now, Future Track says it's a quiet night out there. A few clouds show up later, and during the daytime tomorrow, maybe 2 or 3% of the area picks up that brief sea breeze shower, but most areas stay dry. You go forward to Thursday, same kind of thing, partly to mostly sunny. Should be a mainly dry day. And then Friday, some of the models hinted a little more moisture then, so maybe the sea breeze comes to life on Friday, but at this point we're still going dry, and mainly dry. We just don't see much for any significant precipitation at all anytime soon. Rest of South Texas, 97 in San Antonio, Laredo's 101, Victoria 95. Let's go north, warming back up in Dallas, at least to 88 after being in the 70s in rain most of the day yesterday, but still some showers north of there today. Kind of see right along that line, a little water in the watershed as well. The big storm that, well, over the weekend was back over here, gave us some rain, continues to lift out as high pressure builds in, and as it kind of hangs out off to the northwest of us, that gives us a pretty dry flow in the upper atmosphere, and that means we stay dry and hot for the foreseeable future. No big chance of rain at all. Some of the models suggest that as that high drifts a little bit over the weekend, could open the door to a little tropical moisture again, and beginning as early as Friday, maybe a brief afternoon shower, but most areas stay rain-free as it is today. Gulf is quiet today. We're still tracking the system out in the middle of the Atlantic now, kind of making the loop and headed off to the northeast. We are giving it a 40% chance of developing the next 2 to 5 days, but down in the main source region, it is DRY dry. Nothing out there at all. So for tonight across the area, 79 for low, partly cloudy, warm, muggy southeast winds. Then tomorrow back up to 98 degrees. Again, plenty of sunshine, hot and breezy, and wind 15 to 25 out of the southeast. So we go 98, then a couple of 99s. We do bump it up to 100 on Saturday, back to 99 on Sunday. Again, some of the models hinted a sea breeze shower Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but very isolated stuff. Monday, Tuesday, hot and dry again. Temperatures staying close to 100 every day. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.